All right, let's talk about the future of online business in this MyEcon 2025 review. If you're serious about making money online, you need to know what's changing and how to stay ahead. Now, if you're not familiar, MyEcon is a financial empowerment company that helps people take control of their finances through entrepreneurship, credit education, and online business strategies. In 2025, they're evolving with the latest trends to help people create more income streams and build wealth online. Now, right now, it's limited to the United States, but soon it's going to become global. Let's be real, online business is booming. E commerce giants are still dominating, but thanks to social media and online marketplaces, it's easier than ever for everyday people like you and me to build a brand and make serious income. The real game changer are AI, blockchain, and even the metaverse. Businesses are using AI to automate tasks, create personalized experiences, and optimize marketing like never before. And with the metaverse, we're talking virtual shopping, digital assets, the whole new ways to connect with customers. The businesses that are winning right now, they are the ones embracing these shifts, whether it's influencers turning content into cash or brands using AI to level up their customer experiences. If you want to thrive in MyEcon 2025, here's what you need to focus on. Understanding the data. Numbers don't lie. If you know how to track and use data, you can make smarter business moves. Being creative and adaptable. Trends change daily. Staying ahead means thinking outside the box and pivoting when needed. Digital marketing, social media, email and automation, whatever it takes to get your business in front of the right people. Now, let's be real. These are challenges too. The competition is fierce. And if you don't stand out, you get lost in the noise. Plus, there's a whole conversation around data privacy, ethical AI, and how automation is changing in the job market. The key, staying informed and upgrading your skills. And with my team, TFT, this is how you'll do that. So here's the bottom line from this MyEcon 2025 review. Change is happening and fast. And if you're willing to learn, adapt, and take action, the opportunities are huge. Now, I want to hear from you. Where do you see online business going in 2025? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And hey, if this was helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Let's stay ahead of the game together. The future is wide open. So how are you going to take advantage of it?